The question is to find out the output of this code. The main tricks of this code is in this line, I plus equal to I plus 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 I. So there are some pre-increment and post-increment. We are having four options: 10, 8, 0 and 12. Okay, let's find out what is the actual answer. So for answering this question, we have to remember that the procedure of pre-increment, post-increment and arithmetic operation always starts from right to left. So this operation will execute first. So what is the initial value of I? Let's check it out. The initial value of I is 2. So once it is a post increment, that means after increment, sorry, it is a pre-increment. After the increment, it value of the I becomes 3, right? So now the value of I is 3. Now we are adding the value. Okay, now this is the second steps. So the value of I will be incremented, but it is in a post increment. So the value of I will be dropped here first, that is the 3, and then after it increase the value by 1, the value becomes 4. Now the equal, then again plus symbol, and this is the I. So what would be the value of I? I plus equal to 6. So in a simple way we can write down I equal to I plus 6. So what is the value of I? Current value of I is 4. So we can add here 4 plus 6, that equal to 10. So the value of I becomes 10. So the answer A is correct one. So if we put the code into the compiler, then let's see how it's coming up. See the execution process. Just we run it out and we got the result. The value of I is 10. So the answer, whatever we have checked it out in dry run, so the answer A is the correct one.